Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Reddit and you click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. As you see, we go to Play Store. We search about Reddit app as you see and we click. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.